Shielded metal arc welding, SMAW, commonly known as stick welding, is one of the most widely used and versatile welding processes across industries including construction, fabrication, shipbuilding, maintenance, and power plants. Its popularity stems from its simplicity, portability, and adaptability to various working conditions, materials, and positions. Unlike more complex methods that require external shielding gas or advanced equipment, SMAW utilizes a consumable electrode coated in flux to create both the arc and the shielding environment necessary for a successful weld. The basic principle of SMAW involves establishing an electric arc between the flux-coated electrode and the base metal. As the arc is generated, the intense heat melts both the electrode and the base material, forming a molten weld pool. Simultaneously, the flux coating decomposes due to the heat, creating gases that protect the weld from atmospheric contamination and forming a slag that covers the weld bead. This slag solidifies over the weld and must be chipped away once the bead cools. The presence of slag helps slow down the cooling process, which can reduce the chances of cracking and improve the weld's mechanical properties. SMAW is known for its robustness in challenging environments. It is often used outdoors or in conditions where wind, humidity, or other environmental factors would interfere with processes like TIG or MIG welding. Because it doesn't require external shielding gas, SMAW is ideal for fieldwork, pipeline repairs, structural welding, and similar applications. It's also cost-effective, both in terms of equipment and consumables, making it a practical choice for many small to medium-scale operations. One of the defining advantages of SMAW is its versatility. It can be used on a wide range of metals, including carbon steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and some non-ferrous materials. A variety of electrode types are available to match specific base metals and project requirements. For instance, the E6010 electrode is commonly used for its deep penetration and is ideal for root passes in pipe welding, while E7018 offers a smoother bead and higher strength, making it suitable for structural steel applications. The skill of the welder plays a crucial role in the quality of a SMAW weld. Unlike more automated or controlled methods, stick welding requires a strong understanding of arc control, electrode manipulation, and travel speed. Welders must also be able to identify the appropriate amperage settings, select the correct electrode type and size, and adapt their techniques based on the welding position, whether flat, horizontal, vertical, or overhead. Each position presents unique challenges in terms of gravity, puddle control, and slag management. In industrial settings, SMAW is often used for maintenance and repair work, particularly in hard-to-reach or constrained locations where setting up equipment for other welding methods would be impractical. In